Best compact treadmills. Compact treadmills are just like the normal ones that we have seen before, but it just basically has a smaller body and size. They also play an important for those who really need to save or organize the space of their room while getting in shape. That is the reason why you should look for one of best products right now on the market. Number 1. FUNMILY 2-in-1 Treadmill. Starting off the list with the 10th ranking, we have got one of the best compact treadmills that you may be able to consider getting for your home or office. This FUNMILY is the 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill, and you will absolutely love this. It features a 2.25 HP motor which is strong enough for you to run fast without any problem. On top of that, there is an LCD display that you can look at in order to keep tracking your running info. You can even look at the content on your tablet as well thanks to the tablet holder. The Bluetooth speakers play an important role in allowing you to listen to your music, so you can boost your mood while running. Since this offers a pretty compact and foldability, it would make it easier for you to save some space in your room or your house. After running, just fold that handrail down and put it under the table or bed by moving it with transport wheels. There are 12 programs or presets coming with this treadmill, thus you can effortlessly choose any option. Number 2. SereneLife Folding Compact Treadmills. Next up, you may need to take a quick look at another product from SereneLife Health and AMP Fitness, which is a quite well-known company, too. This provides a lot of things that treadmill runners would like to experience. Well, it comes with a 2.2 HP motor, and that is a strong motor that lets you run at a pretty high speed as well. The size of this treadmill will make you love it so much because that helps a lot if you really want to save some space in your room. This product is made out of steel, therefore the durability is going to be high. After using the treadmill, you can just fold it up and put it into a spare space near the corner. Furthermore, controlling the whole treadmill has never been this easy. On the handrail, you can just quickly click on any button to change the speed, to start, or to stop the machine. The LCD display gives you all the information that you need to know while running, such as the burnt calories, time, distance, speed, and pulse. You do not need to worry a lot as they also include 9 presets that you can choose from in order to run correctly. Number 3. UREVO Foldable Treadmills. What we have here right now is an incredibly small and compact treadmill that actually comes with the most features that you really need. It is the UREVO treadmill for home. Well, this is a kind of treadmill that allows you to fold after you use it. Even if it comes with a really small and thin size, the motor that it has is also pretty strong as well, which is the 2.5 HP motor. You can easily run on the treadmill without thinking about anything a lot because there are 12 presets coming out of the box. The LCD helps you to keep your eyes on the information of what you are doing on a treadmill. It will show the burnt calories, speed, time, distance. Moreover, the mat that it comes with has the non-slip feature, which means you will be able to run on this with no danger. By looking at this, you would know that it is made specifically for those who need to save space because of its small size and foldability. Number 4. RhythmFun Treadmill Under Desk. We are now ranking number 7, so we are going to showcase a really good option for those who love a kind of treadmill that is really compact and clean. Of course, it is the one coming from RhythmFun. Since this comes in a pretty thin and compact size, the motor that it includes is just 1.5 HP. That is not too strong, but good enough for you to run at a decent speed, and the sound that it makes would be a lot slower than the other treadmills do. It has really lightweight, therefore you will be able to move it easily without struggle. On top of that, it also comes with 2.3 inches thickness that allows you to carry or lift it effortless. Its frame is made out of steel, which is really durable in order to prevent any danger of breaking. There is also an LED display that will show all of your activities, such as the speed, time, distance, calories, etc. You can control everything on this treadmill by using the mobile app, which is really convenient. Number 5. ANCHEER 2-in-1 Folding Compact Treadmills. Here we have got one of the best choices if you are looking to get a compact treadmill with high quality. This is the ANCHEER 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, and you will love what it provides you. The motor that it comes with is the one with 2.25 HP, which is very beneficial for treadmill runners at a pretty high speed. You also get a really big benefit as well, which are the 12 presets that they include into this treadmill. All of those presets automatically sets the workout modes for you and save more of your time as well. Even if this treadmill has a pretty strong motor, it does not make a loud sound that would disturb people around you. Furthermore, the frame is made out of solid steel, hence, it will be super durable and sturdy even if you run every day. There is also an LCD panel that will help you track all of your information about running, such as burnt calories, speed, distance, time, etc. After purchasing this, you will get a product protector for a whole year.